Good morning, dear viewer. Welcome to English speaking practice class. How are you doing? I am perfectly fine. Today, our topic of discussion is visit a riverside. It is all about how to spend our leisure time in the hands of a mother nature. What do you think about why rivers are much important? Healthy rivers carry water to homes, farms, schools, and businesses. Along the way, they nourish entire ecosystem and provide important habitat for native plants and animals. Yes, that is why I have selected this topic for the awareness of the importance of rivers and greenery. In ancient times, most of the life, animals and birds were found near the rivers, but due to excessive deforestation, pollution and modernization, we lost their habitat and now we are rarely found such species. For me, a walk along a river is medicine. Spending time on river banks makes me feel more relaxed and refreshed. This is River Jhelum, flowing beside district Jhelum in Pakistan. Alexander the Great and army crossed the Jhelum in 326 BC at the Battle of Hydaspes River, where he defeated an Indian king Porus. Actually, I have selected it because I have some information too. The total length of Jhelum is about 450 miles. Jhelum River is unique to its landscape, winding through low foothills and valleys, rushing clear and cold from the mountain forest to its land of purity. Yes, absolutely. The importance of rivers for human survival and our ability to thrive cannot be overstated. Rivers are not just areas of important biodiversity and home to endangered wildlife, they are also vitally important for human race. From the beginning of human history, we have gathered around rivers to make use of their natural resources, and it can be argued that in many cases, river gave us the ability to grow as a civilization. Even today, it is surprisingly just how much we still rely on rivers to support our livelihoods and economies. Yes, It has importance in Asian civilizations, the birth of religion, and the importance of a river of modern life in the economy, transportation, and energy supply. Humans need a constant supply of water to survive, and the rivers provide fresh water that can be drunk safely. It is said that because of low oxygen levels, pollution, lesser rains, and artificial barriers had affected one species of fish in the Jhelum River. Still, we can find many species of fish. Living near the water and greenery has many benefits. You breathe fresh air, it strengthens your immune system, you sleep better, it increases your white blood cell count, you experience greater happiness, you feel relaxed and lengthens your life. You can see this railway bridge. I am thinking of finding peace and connection of open hearts and strengthened spirits through healing water. For me, rivers are medicine for the soul. For me, it is the best piece of advice that you should spend some time in nature to refresh your mind and soul. Nature has incredible power of healing your disease and illness regarding to your soul. I will end it in a poetic form like W.H. Davis said, "What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare." Your thoughts are purer than mine. I wish you good luck, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because it will boost our morale to upload such video of your interest. Enjoy this beautiful scenery.